What's up, beautiful disasters? How are y'all? What? What? Wait! Did y'all see the way she just looked at me? I didn't do anything. All I did was this. Because you always do the intro and I didn't do the intro. Let me do the intro. Okay, let's do the intro. Okay. I'll look at you while you look at me. How about that? Yeah?
What's up, beautiful disasters, and what's up, amazing people? Today we are going to be doing a little summer.
This one is a little unusual, okay? Usually I do these type of Dollar Tree finds by myself, but this one here wanted to join me today, so here we are, okay? But like I said, we're supposed to be out the door, so this is going to be a very short, what we found at Dollar Tree. Summertime at Dollar Tree, okay? So, oh, you know what? Show them the first thing. So you see these on her wrist? These are, Buggables, citronella wristbands that you can find at Dollar Tree. They're supposed to keep the bugs away. So we're going to try these out today and hopefully they will work. I got her the green. I have me the yellow. And I have one on each wrist. Okay, that's my son, by the way, you know. So, yeah. Oh, and they smell just like citronella. Yeah, that's citronella.
I call it lemon.
Yeah.
I love lemons.
Now they also have these mosquito repellent wipes as well. This is new. I don't remember seeing these before. This is what we picked up today. I'm going to bring these with us just in case we need to, I don't know, wipe some on our ankles, legs, arms. Yeah, you know, where this won't reach, obviously the Buggables won't reach. So I'm going to bring 3 of these. It's 2 wipes in 1 pack, so I'm going to give one to her. I'm going to have one for myself, and I have one for my son. All right. And then we also saw these cups at Dollar Tree. These to-go plastic
Summery to-go cups.
Yeah, to-go cups. Yeah, really. And so I got mine, and mine says, "Let's Flamingo." Okay, too cute. And tell them what yours says.
Mine says sunny summer days, and it says chill out, and it just says shine, and you know, summer things. Hello, summer, you know, cute things. Got the...
Okay, very nice. Cute. Very nice, very nice. All right. So we're going to bring these with us because, like I said, we're going to a cookout. And this is also another way for us to keep up with our drinks. We don't have to worry about whose drink is what. We can just pour our drinks in here and keep it with us. Which one was yours, Boo?
Oh, this one's mine.
That one? All right. We have these fans. Now, these fans, for me, they are everything. Yes, I will be definitely...
You don't even know how to do it correctly. And it's the wrong way. See me? You see me? You see how it's like this? I'm holding it like this. How you do it? Do it again. So you see it's this way. Now turn your fan. Okay, this way. Okay. Don't hold it like that. Hold it like this, okay? Then just let it, like... Hey! Just a little floppy. But that's good. I broke it. You broke it? I broke it. The first try. Beautiful. I love fans. I love Mulan.
They have the hot and cold iPads. Now we have the tinted lip balm to match the flower lip gloss. So I'm going to grab one of these. Look at this. Blemish patches. OMG. I hope these work. And then they have cleansing nose strip charcoal patches. Okay, stop playing. All right, so they also have these long reach pickup. Maybe someone older or shorter. All right, so they have some tropical things out that I'm going to try. All right, so Dollar Tree is getting some clothes in. Nice, nice. And they're all $1.25. Look at the sizes. Look. And then last but not least, and they have all different colors. Look, they have blue, they have teal, they have a gray. Look at all of these different garden gnomes are doing their thing. They're ready for the summer. They'll even provide you with the hula skirt. Okay, it says adult, but it's probably skinny adult. And then they have one for the children too, so she can look just like you in her little hula skirt. Now they even have bowls with spoons. Oh, this is so cute for a little party. Summer is a state of mind. If y'all are not throwing a summer party, I don't know what you're doing. You need to come to Dollar Tree and stock up on all these summer essentials. You can do aloha themed. Hello, look at that. Oh, look at these cute cups. And they even have the tiki type glasses. Those are too cute. All right, here's some more glasses. These are so cute with the flowers on them. So cute. Something else that's new. Tea tree and salicylic balancing face wash with AHA and BA. Oh, we get this. beautiful disasters, have you seen these? These are yogurt cups and they have the spoons attached. Let me show you. This is a yogurt cup, but you can use this for overnight oats. You can't tell me this is not a steal for $1.25. Look at the size is good, and it has a spoon attached to it on the inside already. Great for work or on the go, or if you're the type of person that maybe you're a delivery driver or you are in your car a lot, this would be great for snacks. This is definitely something you should pick up. $1.25. All right, so that's it, y'all. I gotta go wash out these cups so I can put my mommy juice in mine. And she's just gonna put some regular juice in hers.
Okay, this is the most important thing. Don't be sad. Don't be depressed. Be happy. Happy with what you have. Be happy about everything. Okay? That's a great thing. Happy summer. Yeah. Party. You want anything? Why are you looking at me like that? I'm cheering people on. And it's cheering me on. And you. Mostly me because I'm a child. But I'm still.
All right, beautiful disasters. Until next time. You know how I go out. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, do all the social media things. I'm gonna work on my flick of the wrist. And yeah, that's really it. All right, until next time, y'all.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.